everybody. I am Renelyn Castillejos, your tidying coach from World of Yorokobi and certified KonMari consultant. This means that I help people and I help homeowners who want to make their home look tidy and organized. I am specially trained in the KonMari method of tidying up, and this was started by Japanese organizing consultant Marie Kondo. As one of the more than 600 certified KonMari consultants globally, I am here to share with you today my knowledge and experience in how you can have a spark joy home that truly lasts for not just months, but many years to come. Right now, there are so many available items that can help make your home tidy and organized. From labels to organizing containers to special storage bins, the list can go on and on and on. However, once you've already completed your purchase and you've put all of these beautiful products into your new home, the question is, how will you be able to maintain it and make your home look tidy, especially when you are extremely busy with housework, and more importantly, if you're even working from home? Allow me to share with you 5 practical tips that I love giving and teaching my clients so that they don't only have a spark joy home, but they truly know how to maintain it for the many months and the many years to come. Allow me to share with you 5 practical tips that I love teaching and giving to my clients to allow them to make their own tidying up process last for your home. It can be for many months and best, many years to come. So if you're ready, I'd like you to take out your notebooks and your pens to make sure that you write down the practical tips so that at any given time that you need it, you will be ready. So let's now begin. Practical tip number 1 is to reflect. What does reflect mean? I want you to think of your preferred home design style. Is it a traditional design that you like? Is it a modern home that makes you happy? Is it an industrial looking house? Is it a minimalist style that makes your heart spark joy? Whatever design that you have, make sure that you know it and you're proud of it. The greatest thing about figuring out and reflecting about your home style is it can be a representation of who you are. It can be an expression of yourself. And like I said earlier, once you know it, be proud of it and make it show in your home. One of the misconceptions that people have whenever they hear the word tidying up is that they feel that they need to remove every item in their home. But if it's not a minimalist home style that makes you happy, then perhaps you need to focus on a different style. The KonMari method just allows you to ask yourself the question, what truly makes you happy? And if there's an item in your home that you haven't used for the longest time, then that can be a sign for you to ask yourself, do I still need this? If not, be able to say thank you and let go of the item. Tip number 2 is make time. Yes, you need to make time. You need to have a deadline. And it's not enough that you tell yourself that you will tidy up next week or next month or next year. It's very important that you choose a specific date. What is the month? What is the day? And what is the year? And once you have that, make sure that you put it in your planner or put it in somewhere that you will be able to remember that will make you excited for your tidying deadline to come. Remember, it's not the duration of time that's important, but rather the consistency that you have when it's already time for you to tidy up your home. Practical tip number 3 is be grateful. Similar to what I shared at the beginning, it's very, very important to come from a space of thanks. Once upon a time, all of these items in your home made you happy. And if at this particular stage in your life, you don't need it anymore, do not feel guilty. You don't want to have guilt in the process of tidying up. So from guilt, you move on to gratitude so that you will make sure that you have a home that sparks joy for you and the process is also enjoyable for you. What is practical tip number 4? Group together. Group together all of the similar items before you decide which ones to discard. Of the many things inside your home, remember that you have to make sure that you tidy up per category and also make sure that you do not discard before going around your house and looking at every nook and cranny so that you will find all the things in the same category. Just to remind you, the 5 KonMari categories are your clothes, books, papers, miscellaneous items, and lastly, sentimental items. What is our last and practical tip? Practical tip number 5 is partner up. This is when you might need to look for an accountability partner. A tidying up project can take you weeks or sometimes even months. So it's important that you get someone who you can trust that will allow you to be inspired and will remind you, especially on days when you're just really lazy to tidy up. An accountability partner can be a family member, can be a good friend, or like a certified KonMari consultant like me. And I hope that at this point you're excited to just really start your tidying up journey, because believe me when I say that this is the best gift that you can give to yourself. Now that you've learned the 5 ways of tidying up, I hope that you are excited to make it happen. Now that you've learned the 5 practical ways on how to finally tidy up your home and keep it that way, I do hope that I was able to add value to you as you work on your tidy home. And also be more confident that when it comes to the part where you need to just reset and maintain your home again, go back to your notes and remember that your tidy home is within your reach, because everybody deserves to have a Spark Joy home. If you have some more tidying questions or if you'd like some personal support in your tidying up journey, I hope that you can follow me on Instagram at World of Yorokobi. Please do visit my website as well, www.worldofyorokobi.com, so that you can have regular information about how to make your home tidy, organized, and sparking joy. Once again, I'd like to thank you for your time and congratulate you in advance as a homeowner, as you truly will work on having that dream home specially for you. Once again, this is Renalyn Tan Castillejos, your tidying coach from World of Yorokobi. Happy tidying, everybody!